Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to crochet the really pretty, very simple snowflake. To begin, we are going to need a knob hook, which is 4mm hook, and I'm going to use a scissor. Okay, to make this we just need two things, okay, and we need a white yarn. If you have a light blue, you can use a light blue too, but I'm going to use this white one, okay. So to begin, we have to start with the slip knot. For slip knot, wrap your yarn 2 times, and you have to pull your first yarn into the first one and pull it off and tie it. And after making this, I'm going to make a chain of 6. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After making a 6, we are going to make a slip knot into the first chain right over here. So we have to make a slip stitch. After making a slip stitch, we are going to make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this chain 3 is count as a 1 double crochet and chain 1, okay. And we have to make 11 double crochet inside this circle right over here. The totals will be 12 double crochet. 1, this is 3 double crochet, but we have to make a chain 1, okay. Don't forget to make a chain 1 every time. Chain 1, chain 1, chain 1. This is a 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 1, 6, chain 1, 7, chain 1, 8, chain 1, 9, chaining 1, and then 10, chain 1, and the last one is 11, and chaining 1, and this 12. So after making a 12 double crochet, we have a space right over here. We have a 12 space, and after this we are going to make a slip stitch into the third chain of the first double crochet. Here it is, 1, 2, 3. Okay, your patterns will be look like this after finishing your 12 double crochet. So now we are going to make a round 2. So for the round 2, we have to make a single crochet. First of all, we will make a single crochet, first chaining 1 and single crochet, okay. Chaining 1, and in the top of double crochet we have to make a single crochet right over here. And after making a single crochet, we have to make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After making a chaining of 6, okay, after making a chaining of 6, we are going to make a single crochet into this space, okay. We have a space right over here. Okay, we have a single crochet now, and after making this we are going to make a chaining of 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After making a chaining of 5, we are going to make a right over here, okay. We are going to make a single crochet again, and chaining of 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we are going to make a single crochet again in the space, and again we are going to make a chain of 5, 1 2 3 4 5. After making a 5, we are going to make a single crochet again into this space. Okay, we are going to do the alternate. We have to follow this until we reach this. Okay, it's the alternate between 5 and 6. I just make a 5, and now we are going to make a 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6, in single crochet into the space. Now we are going to make a 5, 1 2 3 4 5, one 2 3 4 5, one 2 3 4 5 6, chaining of 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6, again 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and single crochet for the last time. And after making this, we are going to make a last round. Last stitches we need to do is chain of 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and we will make a double crochet in this single crochet. This one is a single crochet, and we have to make a double crochet. After making one double crochet, we are going to make a round 3. So for the round 3, we have to make a chain of 2, 1 and 2, and after making a chain of 2, we are going to make a 2 double crochet in chain 6 loop right over here. This one is a chain 6 loop, and we have to make a 2 double crochet, 1 and then 2. After making a 2 double crochet, we are going to do a picot stitches. So for this, we are going to make a chain of 4, 1 2 3 4, and slip stitch in this first double crochet. This one is a picot stitches, okay? And after this, we are going to make a, after making a picot stitches, we are going to make a triple crochet. So to make a triple crochet, grab your yarn 2 times and yarn around, pull to 2, yarn around, pull to 2, yarn around, pull to 2. After doing this, we have to make a next picot stitch, chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this picot stitches is going to be a very big one. We have to make a 3 picot stitches, okay? And we have to make a slip stitch right over here. After making a slip stitch, we are going to make again a triple crochet into the same space. This one is a triple crochet. Okay, the last part, we are going to make a chain of 1 2 3 4 again, and we have to make a slip stitch into this last double crochet, and we have to make a 2 double crochet for the last time. 1 double crochet, and then 2. So everyone, your patterns will be look like this, okay? We are going to follow this same thing, okay? But in the second space, we have to, this one is a chain 5 space, this one is a chain 6 space, and now we are going to do the same thing. We have to make a slip stitch down. For this chain 5 space, we are going to make a chain of 2, 1 and 2, and we have to make a single crochet in this third chain, okay? 1 2 3 right over here. We have to make a single crochet into the third chain, and after doing this, we are going to make a chain of 2 again, 1 and 2, and we have to make a double crochet, 2 double crochet into the same space, 1 and 2. After making this, we are going to make a chain of 1 2 3 4. After making a chain of 4, we have to make a slip stitch in this double crochet, and after this we are going to make a triple crochet in the same space, and we have to make another picot stitch that is going to be a large one in the middle, this one, okay? For this we have to like, we just finished making a triple crochet, and again we have to make a chain of 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 in slip stitch right over here, okay? And after doing this, we are going to make a chain of 4 for the next picot stitch. Oh sorry, first we have to make a triple crochet, don't forget that, okay? Triple crochet in the same space, and we have to do is a chaining of 4, 1 2 3 for the last picot stitch, and make a slip stitch again, and double crochet. We have to make a 2 double crochet into the same stitch, 1 double crochet and then 2. So here you go, you can see this is going to be a snowflake very soon, and we have to repeat the same thing, okay? And we have to repeat this until we reach the last part. Okay, for chain 5 in chain 6 space, this one is a chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5. You have to count over here, okay? For chain 6 space, we are going to make a chain 2 in, we are going to make a double crochet 2 times, 1 and then 2, and after doing this we are going to make a 1 2 3 4 picot stitch, okay? And we have to make a slip stitch right over here, and again we are going to make a triple crochet in the same space. But for the chain 5 space, we are just going to make a chain 2 and single crochet into the third stitch. But for picot stitch, we have to make a 3 picot stitch. One is small and one is large and one is small. Guys, we are in the last part of this snowflake, and I'm going to make a chain of 4 and slip stitch into the third chain of the first double crochet and chaining 1, and I will just cut it down So here is our snowflake pattern is ready. And everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys love this, don't forget to comment down, don't forget to subscribe and like, okay? And if you have any kind of question, please ask me in the comment box. Thank you, see you next time. Happy crocheting. Bye bye everyone.